Like, what? Bust down middle part straight to the point, honey, okay? Alright guys, so we're back with another talk through video. Shout out to Iseehair for sponsoring today's video. And just to give you guys some reference, the unit that I have on right now is actually from Iseehair. Very, very cute. This is actually one of my favorite curly units, guys. I will actually leave a link in the cards for this original video, and I'll leave the link for this video down below. So they did go ahead and send me one of their straight units, guys, with the same cap construction. Obviously, I showed you guys the unboxing portion of this video, so you guys kind of saw what the cap and everything looks like. The combs on this unit are removable, guys, so if you don't like combs stabbing your head, but they don't really stab your head, they're very soft combs, you can go ahead and remove the combs on this one. It does come with an adjustable strap as well. That's excellent. It's actually double panel type of adjustable strap, so there's two hooks on it, so you can make it really tight, guys, which I really like. Now this is a pre-cut unit, guys, so the lace is already pre-cut. The knots on this unit are super small, guys. You can't even see a damn thing on this lace whatsoever. Hence the unit that I have on is basically the same cap construction. Absolutely stunning. So all I'm gonna do today is do a same day install, talk through with y'all, because it's very simple. Add a little power, add a little zhuzh to it, and then we're good to go, guys. So let me pop this unit from Iseehair off and put this one on. All right, y'all, so this hair, hi baby, got it sa. Look at this hair, guys. First of all, you get a good amount of lace, and the unit actually lands very perfect. Like, it lands ear to ear, guys, with no bulking or anything like that. I did go ahead and adjust the strap on this one to make it very secure. So this is what it looks like when you first put it on your head. Like, what? You really ain't gonna do that much with this one, but you guys can see it's very nice. So what I am gonna do on this unit, guys, after I move this little hair here, is just trim a little bit of the lace on the outside right here. Even though the unit is pre-cut, there is like a little bit of lace that I prefer not to have on here, like on the edges right here. You guys can see just taking that off makes a huge difference. And just a little bit right here, just the little pieces that I won't really even be needing, because you're not even gonna be able to see this side of the wig on me, just because I'm gonna wear it in the middle part style. But just for reference, there is like a little extra lace that if you don't want it there, you can go ahead and cut it off. But the unit is pre-cut already, so if you don't have the time to just snip a little bit off, it's still gonna look very seamless whatsoever, guys. So very nice. You guys can see, look at that lace right there. Look at, yo, what? Do you guys see that? Like, it's so freaking nice. Like, look at that lace. So even without even doing anything, even adding powder or anything to it, the lace already looks super realistic. Like, I'm actually really shocked about this. And I'm, you know what, I can't even really be shocked. Y'all saw the curly unit on my head. If you guys watched that video, I absolutely love that hair. Like, that is one of my favorite curly units. All I'm gonna do is really just hot comb the top of this one, guys. You guys can see that it already comes to you flat. Like, look at this. I'm not even gonna add powder to this wig. You don't even need to add powder to this lace. The lace is so nice and impeccable. Like, look at this, guys. Like, they did something with this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and just hot comb the front. I love how realistic, like, look at how nice, soft, and realistic Look at the lip gloss getting hair stuck on it. But you guys can see how nice and realistic and silky straight and beautiful this hair is. Like, look at that. Like, come on, honey. Like, look at that. And it came straight out of the bag like this, guys. I didn't have to do anything other to it. Like, look at how... like, what? I'm gonna straighten it out a little bit, but that's basically it. All right, y'all, so I straightened this hair out ever so lightly. You guys can see it is like butter. It's like the perfect density, but it's not thin. So I basically got everything pretty much straight on this one. I did go ahead and leave the Amazon storefront down below if you want to look for the attachment for the straightening comb. It helps the hair straighten like this, guys. Obviously the hair is a straight unit, so I just kind of buffed it out. So obviously you see flyaways at the top. So what I'm gonna do is spray some of my Even Wonder Lace melting spray in my palm. And when I do that in my palm, I rub it together and then I just flatten the top like that. So then you have like a nice flat top without using the wax stick. I like the wax stick, but I feel like sometimes the wax stick makes the hair look kind of greasy. So I try to like put hairspray in my hands and rub it together and then put it on top of my head. It just makes it look better instead of looking like greasy looking, if you kind of get what I mean. Just try it out, let me know what you guys think, but I feel like that looks, it just works out better when I do it that method. The hair, like I said to you guys, is like buttery soft. Like usually I like, because you know when you wear like a unit that's like glued down or sprayed down, you're able to get like the flyaways in the very front to lay down very nicely. But I don't even care about that because the lace on this unit is so buttery soft, guys, that just having the hair just do whatever it wants in the front, well, not do whatever it wants, just lay nicely without being plastered down with baby hairs, just makes the unit look way better. When it comes to units like this and the lace is this impeccable, I don't do baby hairs on the unit just because it just, there's no point. Like it looks like your hair. Like this looks like a sew-in, or it could be my real hair, but we all know it's not my real hair. But if you're someone that has hair that mimics this length and this texture, oh, you can get away with this, honey. This lace is impeccable AF, so you're really not doing that much with this unit whatsoever, guys. So I believe this is probably one of my fastest hair videos. Like I said, I didn't really do that much to this unit. This unit already comes prepared for you, so you're really not doing that much. I will turn around and show you guys the length and everything of this unit. It's 28 inches long, so it's pretty long. Very, very pretty, guys. No powder on this unit whatsoever. I just trimmed a little bit of the lace right here and just straightened the hair and just put some spray on the top just for the flyaway. So this was virtually my easiest hair video ever. Like, I really didn't do that much of this unit whatsoever. It is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Look at this luster of this unit, guys. Very, very pretty, guys. And like I said, bust down middle part straight to the point, honey, okay? Bust down middle part straight to the point. Like, this is very, very pretty, guys. Gorgeous. And one thing I want to point out, they do have a shorter length in the front, but the shorter length in the front is actually not bad. It's about like a 24 inch, and the front part of this unit, like the closure part, is not dense. So they put enough hair for a ratio in the back. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The ratio of the closure hair and the back bundles is perfect. Like, it blends very nicely and seamlessly, and it doesn't look crazy, if y'all know what I mean. But yeah, Iseehair, you done this one again. Thank you guys for sponsoring today's video. I will leave all the links down below per usual, guys, and I'll also leave a video for the other curly unit that they sent me as well. Absolutely love this company. This is my second collaboration with this company, and I'm super, super impressed. They might actually have one of the bombest cap constructions on the market.